How to delete uploaded files from Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, hover over the user icon or timer at the top right corner of the homepage to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Splitting History, which will show you a list of all your uploaded and processed files. Find the file you want to delete, then select it and click on the delete button. Confirm the deletion and your file will be permanently removed from your Lalal.ai account. Remember that deleted files cannot be recovered, so be sure you want to remove them before confirming. And that's it. Now you know how to delete uploaded files from Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.